Hi everyone, welcome to Everything Data Analytics. And if this is your first time here, kindly subscribe to this channel. So here we make data very simple, clear, and also actionable for us to be able to follow us easily with the tutorial. So in today's tutorial, I want to show you 5 powerful ChatGPT prompts every data analyst should be using to generate data set instantly. So if you are learning data analysis but you are struggling to find clean data or realistic data set to practice with, so ChatGPT can generate custom data set for your analysis, whether you want to work on SQL, you want to work on Excel, Python, and also Power BI. Any tools you want to work on, ChatGPT can generate data set for you in seconds. I've used it and it has helped me also. So here are the 5 ways in which 5 prompts that you can use as a data analyst to generate or data set in ChatGPT. The first prompt is the first prompt is maybe you want to generate business sales. So this you can use this particular prompt to generate business sales. The prompt is generate a realistic sales data set with 1,000 rows, including column for order and the like. So if you put this prompt in just ChatGPT, it will generate it for you. So this prompt actually is perfect for practicing. This first prompt is perfect for practicing revenue analysis, to practice trend analysis, and also KPI dashboard. So if you are looking in a way that you want to generate or report for your revenue, for your or trend or anything KPI you want to work with in business sales, this particular prompt is very okay for you. It is the perfect prompt for you to generate. And the second prompt is also customer analytics data set. Maybe you are working with a customer analytics data set and you want to generate or what's it called? You want to generate data set for you. So this is okay for customer segmentation and churn analysis. So this particular prompt is ideal for customer segmentation, is ideal for quote analysis or churn prediction project. So this is also this particular prompt will help you to generate data set with demographics and different type of or a column you want to see in your analysis, in your data set. So the third prompt is SQL practice. Maybe you want to work with SQL, you want to do an interview, and one of the requirements is SQL. So this particular prompt is okay for SQL interviews and also joins. So this is excellent for mastering joins, group by, window function. So you can put this prompt in ChatGPT and it will help you to generate data set for your analysis. The fourth prompt is time series data set. So this is maybe you want to looking at the scenario, you want to look at the trend and forecasting analysis. This particular prompt is perfect for forecasting. It's perfect for moving average and time-based analysis. You put this prompt here, you will be able to generate analysis, or you will be able to generate data set for your time series analysis. And the last prompt is maybe you are working with messy reward data. This is okay for if you want to do data cleaning, maybe pre-processing. You want to work on data cleaning, you want to show your skills in data cleaning, Power Query. This particular prompt will help you practice real world data cleaning, which is one of the most important, the most or in demand skill for you for data analysis. So now I'm going to use one of these prompts to ask ChatGPT to export the data set as CSV file format if you want to use it directly in your PowerPoint or your Excel. So let's quickly practice one of these points. Let's assume I want to use this particular one. Let me copy this, or the first one. Let me copy it. I want to use this. Let me copy this. Then let's go to ChatGPT. This is my ChatGPT. This is my ChatGPT now. So now let's put it here. This is my prompt. I want ChatGPT to generate a realistic sales data for me. I want it like this. So this is what I want ChatGPT to generate. So now let me go like this. So now ChatGPT is analyzing it and is generating it. Is analyzing and is generating it. So let's wait for it to finish. So it's still generating it. So I think my network, I'm having network issue. I can try to, let me try again. My network is, so it's still generating it. So let's wait for it to finish. So I think I'm having network issue. Okay, maybe I should try again. Let me try again. So now I want you to generate it, and I want you to be in, you can just add or downloadable data set. You can just add that. Then let's put it. I'm having network issue. I think that's the reason why I'm having this itch. So you can generate that, you can use that. So if you want this prompt, just comment prompt in the comment section, and I'm going to send it to you. I will be able to get it. Just comment prompt. So as this I'm having okay. So now, okay, I think I understand this. So I've been using just ChatGPT since morning. So it's telling me that I'm having that I cannot generate this for now because of the issue that I'm having. So let me try and do it in my other account. Let's try and do it in my other account. I should be able to do that because I need to I need to show us how it is done. So now let me do this. Let me copy it there. Okay, let me go and copy that there. Let me copy the prompt here. Then I'll put it in my other account. Okay, continue. Google. Okay, so I've not signed in to this. So let me continue. Let me continue with this. Let me continue with my second email so that I will be able to use that. So now if you need the prompt, just comment prompt if you need the prompt, and I'm going to send you the prompt. So let me quickly do this. So let's try this. Let's put it here. So so it's still analyzing. So you can see it now. You can see now that it's generating it. You can see it has generating it. Download the realistic data set. You can see now it has put it in a downloadable form for me. So this is it. This is it now. We have it here. Yes, we have our data set. Yes, this is our data set now. This is our data set. We have our data set here now. You can see now this is our data set. This is our data set now. You can decide to format your data set in what you want. You know, this is, we said 1000. Let me remove this. This is disturbing my work. So now we said 1000. You can see now is 1000 data set. So you can see it's 1000 the data set. Our order, our customer ID, product category, product name, order date, region, sales amount, discount, and profit. So you can decide to insert a table, use it, put a table there so that you can make it very neat. So this is our data set. Now you can see our data set. Now it's just as simple as that. It's just as simple as that. So you see now the way you can use ChatGPT to generate data set for your analysis. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also comment prompt if you want these 5 prompts. Comment prompt if you want more on this. You just comment prompt. See you in the next video. Bye.